Hello. What are essentials I need after surgery when I come home? For example, if I am coming back home from surgery, that is knee replacement, it is very important to understand that in our country, most of the time, there are people around the patient. Like there are people who can help the patient bring things. So the essential things in India are comparatively less as compared to the West, where patients are alone and they need all the essential commodities and things at home. But still, few things like there should be a proper medication box, number one, so that patient can have medications by bedside, where everything is written, like these are antibiotics, these are painkillers, these are swelling medications, these are sleeping pill, everything written. Along with that, their regular medications, they need to be sorted also, and they should know what to take. Sometimes patients are more sleepy, they are in pain, they can forget to take medications. So proper labeling of their medication boxes, your medication box is very important. Second thing is a physiotherapy availability at home is very important if you are not able to go for physiotherapy to a clinic. Especially in initial 15 days or initial month of physiotherapy will be needed at home. So you can arrange for a physiotherapist before coming back from the hospital. Walker or a walking stick is very essential, because if you are alone at home, if there is nobody to help you, you want to walk, it is better to take support in initial 15 days till you get control and strength in your knee. Other things like supplements, protein intake, everything that will be available at home. But again, it is better to have a stock of it at home, so every time you don't have to call for it. The most important thing is that have your doctor's number handy in case there is any trouble. Thank you.